What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. In this one I'm going to be doing a YouTube tips and tricks kind of thing. I'm thinking of starting this as kind of not a series, but it'll basically be a series where I'll have a bunch of YouTube tips and tricks and I'll put them in a YouTube tips and tricks. I think I might already have a playlist for that set up, so if I do I'll just put them in there. But anyway, this video is going to be how to delete a video from YouTube. This is a very quick and easy thing to do, so I'll get straight into it. You can see that we are on YouTube here, just on the home page. You should be able to see, if you are logged into your account, there will be your logo in the top corner up here. So you're going to want to click onto that. And you're then going to want to go into the Creator Studio just here. This will basically be a place where you can see all of your analytics for the channel and stuff. I'm completely fine with you seeing these analytics. I don't care, I've already showed them in the past in a video. If you do want to see that video and see how much I've made off YouTube, then you can click on there and see that. If I remember, I'll put the link in the top corner, so you should see a little eye thing pop up there, and if you want to check that out you can. So once you're on this page, what you want to do is actually go into your video manager. So you can see that on the left here you will have video manager. Now I've actually got a few extra options here. This is just because of the vidIQ plugin I'm using. If you don't have the plugin, you should just see Studio Beta, Dashboard, and then Video Manager. So if you click onto Video Manager here, you will then be brought to this page. Let it load up here, and you can see conveniently I have a little video here called "This is getting deleted," because this is the video we're going to be deleting. Now I'm just going to quickly show you. This video literally just consists of me saying this video is getting deleted. Oh, hi there. This video is getting deleted. Perfect. But anyway, yeah, you want to stay on this video manager page here, and it's very simple. You're either going to click the ticky box, and you could select multiple videos if you want to delete more than one at once, or you can click this little drop down menu button and you can just click delete at the bottom here, and that'll simply remove it straight away. So if we click this, we'll get this little pop-up asking if we want to permanently delete the video. Now we can't undo this, so make sure if you are going to delete the video, make sure you do actually want it deleted, and if you do want to keep a backup of the video, make sure you've got it downloaded on your computer or on your device or whatever. So we're going to click delete here, and it says please wait deleting videos. If we give it a minute, we can see there we go, the video is gone. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. I hope you found this video helpful. That's going to be where this video ends off. If you did find it helpful, then please leave a like down below. If you would like to consider subscribing and see some more tutorials, then subscribe so you can see some more tutorials. And if there is anything else you want to see in particular, just tell me in the comments below and I'm happy to do them. That's going to be it for this video, guys, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.